The term HPU in the context of a ship typically refers to a hydraulic power unit. The hydraulic power unit is a crucial component in a ship's hydraulic system, and its primary function is to provide the necessary hydraulic power for various shipboard equipment and systems that rely on hydraulic pressure to operate. Here are some key functions of a hydraulic power unit on a ship. 1. Powering hydraulic systems. The HPU generates hydraulic power that is used to operate various shipboard machinery and equipment. This can include hydraulic pumps, motors, cylinders, winches, and other devices that require controlled fluid power. 2. Control and actuation. Many ship systems, such as steering gear, anchor handling systems, and cargo handling equipment, utilize hydraulic actuators for precise control and movement. The HPU provides the hydraulic pressure needed for the proper functioning of these actuators. 3. Brake systems. Some ships use hydraulic systems for their brake systems, particularly in winches and cranes. The HPU provides the hydraulic pressure required for effective braking. 4. Lubrication. The HPU may also be responsible for supplying hydraulic fluid to lubricate moving parts within the hydraulic system, ensuring proper functioning and reducing wear and tear. 5. Emergency systems. In certain cases, hydraulic power is essential for emergency systems such as emergency steering. The HPU ensures that these critical systems have the necessary power even during emergencies. 6. Maintenance and testing. Hydraulic power units are sometimes used during maintenance and testing of hydraulic systems. They can be employed to simulate various operating conditions for diagnostic and testing purposes. Hydraulic power is preferred in marine applications because it can be easily transmitted over long distances and is suitable for applications requiring high force and precise control. The hydraulic power unit plays a vital role in ensuring the reliability and performance of hydraulic systems on ships.